Welcome back to Renovation Inspiration. I'm Lori Dennis, and today we will be checking out the latest progress on our project. We just bought this green monster.
3,600 square foot, 5-bedroom home. We're gonna turn into a 3-unit rental.
We had the biggest, baddest, ugliest, tallest house on the block.
There are no floor joists under the tub.
The island was definitely going to stay.
Lori wanted an island, that's that.
When you entered the house, the first thing you saw was an eyesore of a stairwell. It was brown, it was carpeted, and we decided to simplify it by ripping out that disgusting carpet and laying down the same wood in the first floor. Nobody thinks that this is gonna work, but watch what happens when you chop this weird part off here, cap it, paint it white. Roy and I had a great big disagreement about those caps on the end of the stairwell.
So here's our tester. Remember, we wanted to maybe leave it like that. Then I found this at the store and I thought this is a really easy solution to just dress it up a little bit.
I'd like to look at another option. I'm not sold on this. Right here, I want to install that really cool pendant. It has the Moroccan pattern on it. And then here's the drama moment.
The drum.
Our favorite piece in the casual coastal is this multi-drum pendant chandelier. It's gonna go in the stairwell, and I think people are going to love the drama. One thing you really want to be careful about is not designing just for yourself. You have to have a design that's going to appeal to everyone, male and female. In our eclectic, we really leaned heavy on black and white, which feels a little more masculine. G-clay paper, I'm not really sure. How is that looking in person?
Oh, it's beautiful. And I knew you would ask that, so I had a sample sent over.
Of course you did.
Really well made. It's thick.
That's cute. I like
Mounted
that.
on a hard surface, so it won't bend easily.
It's gonna work out just fine. Oh, it's so cute. I love that.
We're in the process of finishing the stairs. We just received our latest shipment of bullnose, and we're gonna be wrapping it out today.
If you don't have the budget to rip out floors that are in great condition, take the time to look for something that coordinates with it so there's not a glaring line of difference between the two. Do you remember these stairs? They were my least favorite part of the house before, but just painting the banister white and ripping out that horrible carpet transformed this space into a coastal centerpiece. My favorite part of the whole stairs is the 4-drum hanging pendant chandelier. You can see it from the first floor, from the stairs, and from the second landing. Right when you walk in the house, I wanted to set the mood. This is a chic house, and this G-clay ceiling mounted pendant totally fit the bill. If you wanted to change the personality, there's over 100 different patterns and colors that can fit any style of house. I love this more neutral pattern, and I decided to carry it throughout the entire house. Our hallway was pretty nondescript, but by adding another G-clay with a repeating pattern in the neutral color tone, we made it shine. To make the space really flow and have continuity, we added another matching pendant on the second floor in the same pattern. Boy, is it a showstopper. When we walked into the master bedroom, we were so happy because we knew we wouldn't have to spend a lot of money. It was in great shape. The floors were perfect. The vaulted ceiling was glorious. The master bathroom, on the other hand, we gotta kill this curtain and put in glass. And the interesting thing is that this tile is so old that it's back in style, but I will get rid of this very strange greenhouse window with filthy screens.
Tips for the bathroom would be simple changes, is you don't have to go bananas. Paint, light fixtures, mirrors, add an art. And you can always add a frameless enclosure if you have just a curtain. That will make the bathroom look so much more expensive.
The master bedroom was the easiest space to transform because we really just had to paint it white and put new baseboards. The floors were in great shape. Oh, they got rid of this gross window.
Yeah, so remember it used to be this garden window that stuck out?
This is really nice.
So we have a big window.
We added the 2 glass pendants over the mirrors so we could bounce light off when the sun goes down. Outside on the master patio deck, we really gave this space some personality by planking the walls, painting them the mint color, and then adding accents that pop like this black open cage pendant. And one of my tricks for saving money on this property was instead of ripping out that ugly railing, I just added planks, wood planks on every other one, painted it white, and voila, I have a coastal patio that anyone is gonna wanna spend time on. Here's the guest bathroom upstairs, and it's in pretty decent condition. The only thing that's really a problem for me are the shower head, which is rusted out, and these two soap dishes, which look really old-fashioned, kind of outdated. So because of that, I have to rip out all of this tile and add a solid surface.
So in the upstairs bathroom, the vanity is gone, demolition is pretty much completed, mirror is gone, the tile was removed, the tub is out. We've discovered plywood behind the tile. I'm assuming the plywood was put here in order to noise insulate to a point, because on the other side we have a bedroom. We also discovered some really weird graffiti. Let's take a look at the tile progress at the guest bathroom of the main house upstairs. Two things I can point out about ceiling fan light combo that we got from Lamps Plus. First of all, it's a small light that makes a lot of light. The other thing is you can barely hear the fan.
The bathrooms on the first and the second floor are identical, and that's a great tip in construction if you want to save costs on design materials and labor, because people already know what they're doing from the first bathroom. And then there's that tip again, where we do the clear glass pendant against a mirror to really bounce the light around and make it feel very light-filled in the space. Thank you for watching this episode of Renovation Inspiration brought to you by Lamps Plus. Please stay tuned for more episodes, like, and subscribe.